Hey y'all, cooking cutting up cute and real. First item for tomorrow's Super Bowl game is a peanut butter pie. Where's my apron? Hold on. I don't want to mess up my shirt. Oh, here we go. Anyway, this is kind of a staple. Peanut butter pie. The boys love it. The hubs loves it. Everybody loves it that loves peanut butter, okay? So, and this is not in the cookbook, and it's kind of in my head, which is scary sometimes. But you need a graham cracker pie crust. And I put mine in the freezer after I make it. And then I take it out just in time to make it, you know, cuttable. So you're going to need a Cool Whip, okay? You're going to need peanut butter, of course, and you're going to need an 8-ounce block of cream cheese and your pie crust, okay? And I can't remember if I put Eagle Brand in this. I'll have to tell you. I'll have to tell you as I go, because actually I'm going to mix this together and taste it and see if it's sweet enough without the Eagle Brand or if I have to add an Eagle Brand. Anyway, I'm going to start with 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to duke this about 15 seconds because I laid it out this morning, but it's not quite the room temperature yet. Anyway, and this is really good if you want to garnish it with chopped peanuts and drizzle it with chocolate sauce. Or you can put it in a chocolate graham cracker crust. I just didn't have one. So I'm using a regular graham cracker crust, the deep dish kind, or whatever they call that. Okay, let's see if this is cool. Oh yeah, okay. I'm gonna add to this about 3/4 cup of peanut butter, okay? Now look, I'm gonna eyeball this because y'all know how much I use peanut butter around here. And I just kind of know, okay? Spence, I need you to go to the grocery store, sweet pea, so I'll have your stuff ready for your friends. I've got the list ready. Okay, that's about 3/4 cup, y'all. Do you want apple pie tonight, or do you want apple dump cake? Okay, that's what he loves that recipe, and he's not a big dessert person, and he lives in a vanilla world. He vanilla everything, so he actually likes that one. Okay, let me blend this together. The 8 ounces of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of peanut butter. And to this, I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. And I forgot to get that out. And look, for us people on the Whale Watcher train, this ain't a Whale Watcher friendly dessert. I'm just saying. 1/2 cup, y'all. If you've never made it, you need to measure it. This is a really rich recipe. And then you're going to add your Cool Whip and blend. And Amy Harville, if you're on here, Spencer is going to be at the Super Bowl thing. So if you were so inclined to make orange crush cake, I'm just saying. My hair, that's tough. Anyway, I know, I put my hand in my hair. I wiped it off. teaspoon of vanilla extract. I like crunchy peanut butter, but the boys don't, so I use creamy. I don't think the kind makes a big difference in this recipe like it does in the peanut butter bars. I always use Peter Pan in the peanut butter bars. Always. I mean, I've made them with the other, but it ain't as good for whatever reason. Okay. So we have in here 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 3/4 cup of peanut butter, your choice. A teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 12 ounces of Cool Whip. And into this it goes. Spence, you want to lick this bowl? Okay, well, I will. This is going into my freezer. And Opa, I may garnish it with some of your Buckeyes. That'd be cute. Smooth it out. This would be great in a chocolate one too as well, y'all. Now, Lord help me, Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna garnish mine after it's done. I mean, after it's frozen. I'll probably garnish it with peanuts or a little bit of chocolate sauce. Anyway, yes, I am licking the bowl. Yes, I'm gonna lip for sure. Anyway, peanut butter pie for the Super Bowl. Happy Saturday, y'all. Lord have mercy. All right, y'all have a good one. Well, hey, Carol Simpson. It's peanutbutterpiebomb.com, y'all. Boom and bomb. All right, see y'all.